Hello, folks. Welcome to Ventures. We actually have a guest today, Logan Paul.
Hell yeah, Logang.
Logan Paul and I are going to be going to Braehead. Not on that number 8 bus because it doesn't go there, but ultimately we're going to stand, wait, be patient, and then get to 77. So until the next scene, we'll catch you soon. Logan Paul, are you enjoying this bus journey so far?
Could be faster being honest, it beats driving and spending on fuel. Where is my prime, Logang?
Hey Logan Paul, have you ever been to IKEA?
I get others to buy that shit in unless I want to wreak havoc in big shops wearing the Pokemon gear.
So folks, we are here up Braehead, and our first stop is Braehead IKEA. Also to note, where you see the flags, just a little bit further beyond is the main Braehead shopping centre. Yeah, I look around. IKEA is going to the main shopping centre, and yeah, I mean, Braehead is always a place that people hear of. Right, there's been a very substantial lack of coffee in the recent, I would say, 3 hours, so we're going to get that addressed.
And I would like all of the fridge's contents.
Oh my, check the state of this. Logan, you've just smashed up that computer. And whilst the world goes round, Logan Paul mournfully cries whilst getting washed in the shower cum tap. Living proof it, Logan Paul likes pot. Welcome to IKEA's episode of putting pricks in washing machines.
This is entrapment. Cease and
There we
desist.
go.
Moist and noise solicitors,
There we are.
RELP.
Braehead is so big, it actually has to have separate units out with the main complex just over there. Nowhere worth its reputation comes without a McDonald's branch. And Braehead comes with its own Sainsbury's branch. Looks very Beetlejuice-esque, doesn't it? A wee fun fast fact, folks. The car parks, including this one of Braehead, up to about maybe 10 so years ago, were heavily used by these mod car racer guys, racing around the car park sort of stuff, and eventually police and the landlord for Braehead actually outlawed it. I remember seeing the cars race around at night, and certain parts of Glasgow you could actually hear it from a long distance. Sounded fun, but obviously, there are safety risks that need to be addressed. And I would call it main event, the head shopping centre. And to get here is remarkably easy by bus. Whatever bus comes in, and there's one. A barber's within a bus station isn't that unknown, but this thing that makes it unique was that used to be one of them shipping containers. Talking about recycling. This is our new future. We used to have a mailbox that looked very similar like that, and it only had the top slot there. But now, because post services are adapting for, apparently the phrase is, it's adapting for current usage. It's now a situation with all of that going on, instead of just sticking the letter in the slot like normal. The revolving door. There's probably a better name for this actually, but a shopping centre is not a shopping centre without a revolving door. One classic Parks shoes. I remember going in there for school shoes and whatnot. All the time is fly there. Logan Paul gets heckled as he does his shopping in Marks and Sparks.
I'm not getting heckled by a chicken.
Braehead seems to be quite a good place for eating options. It also includes a Five Guys, which is, as you know, ludicrously expensive. Braehead also has a ice skating rink, which seems to be seasonal. It's good price, by the way. Popeyes, famous Louisiana chicken, famous also for mucking up your order, famous for wasting time. A typical going up the escalator shot type scene. Braehead Arena, famous for the Glasgow Clan, and also famous for clan wrestling. Subway Sandwich Shop, their motto, Subway, your way, but the reality is it's their way or the highway. Rapid Rabbit is taking a shite! Oh, do you see what I see? Oh, shite, it's supposed. Craig, hide your bong. Mankind. Gifts and gadgets for him. And Summers. Gadgets and gifts for her. Although we are joking about toys and Summers, we've really found the dildo, to be honest. In these Ventures episodes, we've been doing these, famous escalator shots. Do you want to see one going fast? The building in front of the camera is called Grid. It's like an activity slash eating venue. Right? And at various points a year they have all this mad amount of outdoor theme park rides. So it provides a lot for a lot of folk, you know, entertainment, food and drink, courtesy of Weatherspoons and Hungry Horse. Grid has had very many names prior to this, such as Escape, Soar, Escape. Hey Logan, I'm going to do some shopping, so I'm going to give you some cash to try the entertainment at Grid. Let me know how it goes.
Okay, let's go.
Woken Pizza Express. Andy recommends. No sweats, no dramas. Fun fast fact number one. There's going to be a go-kart track soon. And fun fast fact number two. You see the Odeon there? As you see here, we've got a Odeon cinema. That actually was used for courts during lockdown. Swinging puns. Apparently she swings both ways. Hey Logan, how did you get on at Grid?
Got on great, playing the arcades, was on the dodgem and threatened someone with a cease and desist for doing me up from behind with their dodgem. Prime is like crack to me.
Can I be a nightmare and mask? Can you do a quick outro for us?
Suppose so. Yes, Scotland rocks. Subscribe the guys YouTube and Rumble. Links are in the title, zero cost to do. Tune in next month's episode to see where he goes next. Will he have anyone join? Keep smashing like and share. Tune in for more content that is non-influence, non-algorithmic, non-moral or political promoting. Join the escape. And drink Prime. Until the next time.
And thanks, Logan. You're alright as well. Just lay down on soon, folks. Too many. Hey Logan, how did you get on at Grid? He died! Hey Logan, how did you enjoy your... Oh no, you're going to die, aren't you? Oh, well...
Time to do a runner.
Oh, you've done a runner! Oh no!